Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about creating petals of a PVC pipe. So you can see the application. Sometimes you do the craft work and you want to make these kind of cutouts, and sometimes you want to make a prototype. See here, there is a prototype. You can see at the bottom. See here, you want to create this kind of structure, and sometimes in sheet metal, and sometimes you want to make a joints of a two pipes. So if you want to create this kind of shape like we see in petals of a flower, so I am going to show you in surface modeling. So let's start now. So select the top plane, go to sketch, draw one circle, this is 50 mm, select this line, make it construction, and come out of this sketch. This is a reference circle. Once again select the top plane, go to sketch, draw center point arc, take one center line joining the center of this arc and circle and end point and this circle. So we have to draw three lines. Now select this line and make it vertical. Select these three lines, make it equal. Select this line, this circle and arc, make it co-radial. Select these two lines and make it perpendicular, that is 90 degrees, that is equivalent to 1/4 of the circle. So we have one arc. Select the right plane, go to sketch, draw one straight line, and select these two end points with control button and make it coincide. Keep it normal. So this is 30 mm. Draw one arc, that is 3-point arc. Simply draw like this and select this point, make it tangent, and this is 27.25. Radius is 30 mm, and say OK. So we have two arcs. Go to surface and select swept surface. Select this arc and this line. So this is the path. See here. So 1/4 of this tube has been created. Now we have to apply circular pattern. Go to circular pattern, select the axis, and here we have to select the bodies. Select these bodies, and we have to take 4 instances and say OK. See here, I am going to hide the axes, and see here. This is the surface, but we have different surfaces. See here. So what we have to do is we have to go to surface module, knit surface, and we have to select the all 4 surfaces from here and say OK. Now it has become a single surface. Reason for creating knit surface is to have thickness. So we have to select thicken command and select this, and here I am going to take 1 mm and both sides. See here. So this is how we create this kind of components in surfacing. Thanks for watching.